Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel! Hello Labubo! Nagulat kami kay Labubo dyan guys. So anyway guys, for today's video, ay papunta kami ng Pangasinan. Kasi excited yung mga anak kong makita ang kanilang castle.
Is that Labubo?
Yeah, that one now. I didn't have mine, but they have more still.
Hello guys! Wait. Nandito kami, nakadalawang stopover na kami bago to. So bibili lang kami ng Jollibee. Trip kami. So ano gusto nyong cheeseburger lang tayo kasi para walang kalat ha?
Cheeseburger and Coke.
Okay, Coke and meron bang ano dun? Di ba yung
Coke.
Oh, ikaw, Coke float ka rin? Okay, Coke float, 4.
Apat na Coke float. Ano pa?
Cheeseburger.
Ilan? Apat na cheeseburger din.
Apat po na cheeseburger?
Yes. Okay na.
Bali, apat po na cheeseburger, apat din po na Coke float.
Opo.
Basic na lang po sa payment. Thank you po.
Thank you.
Wait, what was that for you?
Magbibili ako ng drinks dyan sa akin. Gusto mo ba drinks niya?
Starbucks. Starbucks?
Coffee, coffee.
No, like famous drink Starbucks.
Starbucks. Arte naman ni Steven magsalita. Oy, Starbucks.
I was joking.
Pwedeng card?
Arte Katib.
Huwag na tayo kasi malamang magdadalibin naman kayo doon mamaya. Okay na yan. Maghanap pa kayo ng CR. Doon na kayo o kaya mag-inasal kayo. Kailangan wag silang kumain ng para sulit. And bibili kami ng guys. No.
That shit has a face that I sound like you, man.
Ay, dapat coffee na lang ako dito.
I'm brown.
Hindi natin.
Nanin.
Ay, pwedeng pa-add ng may coffee kayo?
Wala po. Ice coffee po, meron po.
Nice.
Ice coffee ako. Sige. Thanks.
Yo, man.
Ha? Sino wants ice coffee?
I did actually. Oh, yes. Yeah. Why have so much fun? Oh. Okay, give me one more chicken. Drive-thru rin tayo?
So, coffee.
How about me? Let's give me one drive-thru. How about one drive-thru para dito? Say. I won't say that she's bad. No, no. She's gonna laugh at it. Isang buwan ko lang. Mataon na.
Anong lugar ba to? Ha?
Why do you hit me in the head, Steve?
Okay. Oh.
Yo!
Yan, kay kuya yan at saka kay Steven. Bigyan mo sa dalawang kuya mo yan and this is yours and Tito.
Which ones?
Here's your Sophia, it's in here.
Oh, here's the basura.
Put in dyan, behind the Di ba meron kayo dyan? Sa bitan ng mga basura.
Plastic dyan sa tinapay. Oh, wow, this one doesn't work, by the way. This doesn't work.
It's okay, just give it to kuya Look niya, ang kunti naman ng ice cream. Wait lang.
Oh, look at mine. I just mixed it up. That's all. Yo! Oh, my wife already has it.
Ano yan? Sabihin mo, yung triple chocolate ay ano ba yun? Yung
Well, I just go. Yo, please.
doon yata sa kabila. Can I have the triple
Mocha po ba?
Yeah, something. Oh, yeah, mocha.
Size na lang po.
Okay, thank you. A size, grande.
Grand size.
Yes. That's all.
Wala na.
We have one drink po. The Graduate People Mocha Cappuccino.
Okay, thank you.
210 na lang po. Budget yan.
Okay.
Sarap, diba?
Okay. Burgers. May kuya mo at saka So, here's yours.
Sophia doesn't want
Di sa akin na lang.
Give me my burger.
Give my burger.
What? Why's gonna
Ma, I didn't want a Coke float.
Di bigyan mo kay Mitchell.
Hey.
How much?
And the cheeseburgers are better than that.
No, I wanted a normal Coke.
Normal Coke? Excuse me, pwedeng umorder ng Coke dito? Coke? May Coke kayo? Can I order Coke?
Wala man.
Ay, wala. Sorry, Nak. Walang Coke. You didn't... Babalik tayo sa Jollibee?
No.
Salamat! Miss, marami kang inuming Coke float. Give it to
Wait, no, you do this. Wait. Babalik tayo sa Jollibee?
Wag na.
Sophia says okay. Sophia says okay.
Can I have
You want to try my drinks?
Quick, take a fire whilst the not looking.
Here you go.
Do you want?
No, I don't want it.
Okay.
Yeah, pretty much said you take a habit already, then which means you take it if your fire's ready.
Okay na guys, kain na kayo. Basura. Close mo na yung bintana mo. Somewhere in the, somewhere in the Naino province, we can open the bintana.
Why not?
So we are going now, guys. See you after the hour. Yeah. So pretty. Look at the mountain, baby girl. Look at the mountain. Malapit na tayo.
Okay. You go first. Surprise her. Surprise her. Okay. Julia, where are you? Oh, it had a dog. Julia. Oops, careful. Ah. Surprise Julia. Go. Once again. Hi! Help! Dito tataan dyan din. Surprise nga eh. Hi!
You go to bed? No, I go to bed on 4:20.
Pagka...
Yeah.
Yes!
Oh yeah.
Banding!
You. Are you okay?
Pangasinan.
Hi kayo kay
Hi!
Ate lang.
Hi vlog.
Hi vlog. Hello vlog. You should use your hands so you can feel eating style. Diba lang? You know how to eat like this. This is how you eat in the Philippines. Saw.
Sige, kakakain ko lang. Kanina kakarating ko eh.
Sarap. Water.
Yum.
Yeah, it's very good.
Patid chicken. Pat.
Pat chicken.
Shout out kay Pat Chicken. Hindi to sponsor ah. Baka
Mas maganda, baka naman.
Baka yung sponsor kami mamaya dinner. Sarap. Grabe. Good idea.
Maganda yung royal. Sinerch ko yun eh.
Ano magiging niya doon? First. Ano bakit?
Ayan guys, dahil gabi na, kami naman ay maghahanap ng makakainan. Actually, alam na namin kung saan kami pupunta, sa Pigar, kung saan sikat na sikat ito sa Pangasinan. So, ayun nga, nagsisiksikan kami dyan at worried namin na baka hindi na kami magkasya pag busog na kami mamaya. Charot! Ayan pala guys, nandito na kami. At ayan, ang napili naming kainan ay Tians ba? Ayan, Pigar. So, ayan, pinili namin itong long table kasi madami kami. I think sa pagkakatanda ko mga 10 yata kami dyan or more. So, yun, nagsisiksikan kami. But anyway, ayun, enjoy naman kasi masarap talaga yung food. So, kahit inulan kami, tuloy pa rin. So, ayan guys, try nyo rin dyan guys. Masarap.
You remember when you fell down the stairs? Bro, I feel, bro.
Magkatabi na kayo. Anong drink mo to?
Ha?
Masarap? Wala pa.
Wala pa.
Say hi. Hi. Ay, say hi.
60 man.
Yan.
Sige na, smile.
Smile.
Parang
Smile ka naman.
nakakiyam na.
Yan.
Boyfriend, girlfriend na rin.
Steven. Oh, ikaw din ma.
Say hi.
Hi.
When are you guys like allowed to get your license? Maybe 18 or 16, something like that. Bro, for us, we only get a driver's license at like 18. But like, we need like a certain amount of hours.
Hi. Masarap no?
About one.
Oo, pinicture namin. Yes, yeah. Apple. Bili na kayo guys! Bili na kayo muna ng Maria, mamili ka na ng ano? Yeah. Hindi, pili mo. Bili kayo doon ng wallet o lagayin mo ng ano. Ano magkupit sa Pugay mo? Dinala mo sila?
Manila pa yan.
Regalo?
Nakalibre siya ng pagregalo niya sa jowa.
Ano, dami ko ito?
Oo.
Oo, syempre ano pa ba?
Sold.
Try color. Ano ba ito? Ganon? Hindi ka bumili sa ng mga hirayo Ay, kita kasi sa online to. Samantala sa online.
Oh, ano to? Oh, remember I said Chiba and I said
So ayan na guys, pauwi na kami dyan at yun nga, napagkasunduan namin na dumaan na rin dun sa truck kung saan nakapark yung truck at kumusay na rin namin si Uncle, yung driver namin. At alamin na rin kung okay na at ready na bang mag-book ang trucks.
There, Ryan.
Ha?
Ang tanong ko nga siya, wala pa namang booking. Baka pwede pa siyang umuwi para makuha yung ano. Oo.
So ayun na guys, pauwi na kami dyan at ayun, sinamahan na rin kami ng kapatid ko dahil may kukunin nga siya sa bahay namin na gamit doon gamit ng truck. So ayan, and now we are heading home. And yes, thanks for watching everyone. I hope you like our video and amping kanunay. Bye for now.